Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. South Goa ZP fast. Government doubles seats in their MLA constituencies. Massive reshuffling of opposition constituencies. Watch part 2 of report on South Goa. Kalangutkas demolish 4 suspected dance bars. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo claims there are more operating. NGPDA to issue notice on Monday. Three shacks burned down to ashes at Baga. Bottle Bay, Red Frog and La Music Cafes suffer loss up to 80 lakhs. MLA smells rat behind fire. Praful Patel meets Goan NCP leaders, tells them not to contest ZP polls, suggests Janajagruti Abhiyan after ZP polls. Goan leaders upset on the way out. And Dempo Cricket Club chasing historic hat-trick of GPL 2020 titles. GPL will be more exciting if played on city-based format, says Srinivas Dempo. Now the news in detail. Prudent on Friday in its report had exposed how government manipulated ZP constituencies to suit their cronies. Today, we take a glance at South Goa. Here too, government has played with geographical alignments and numbering of ZP constituencies. Few of the constituencies are blatantly reshuffled while some are left untouched. Why these constituencies are kept untouched and for whom? The Panchanama.
ZP reservation has been done in a chaotic manner in North Goa, manipulative and to the behest of ruling. Government has changed the numbers of ZP constituencies and doubled the seats in the constituencies where the MLA is elected. Same is the case in South Goa. Government has juggled constituencies more in South than in North. Government has lost its grip while numbering the constituencies. Benaulim numbered after Velim. Navelim placed after Kurtori. After Navelim comes Savarde. Rivona kept after Dharbhanoda. Sakwal placed directly after Poingin. Sakwal Kortalim descend from number 1 to last. This doesn't end here. Few constituencies are divided while some are disappeared. At some places in South Goa, ZP seats are doubled in ruling constituencies, same as North Goa. Chinchanim placed in Vedim. Orlim, Kyolosim, Carmona placed in Banaulim. Rashol replaced with Rai. Fatarpar and Bali, both constituencies disappear. Both combined as Barse. Babu Kavlekar's constituencies reduced to 1 from 2. But not all constituencies are reshuffled. Some ZP constituencies are kept intact. Why and for whom? Let us see. These are the intact constituencies. Savarde, Ganesh Gaokar, BJP MLA. Dharbhanoda, Ganesh Gaokar, BJP MLA. Rivona, Subhash Faldesai, BJP MLA. Shelde, Nilesh Cabral, BJP MLA. Davarlim, Avertano Furtado, BJP supporter. Kolwa, Miki Pacheco, Nuve MLA, BJP supporter. Nuve, Miki Pacheco, BJP supporter. Shiroda, Mahadev Naik, BJP MLA. Ponda constituency is another factor in this election. Ponda is placed in South Goa and it has multiplied the confusion in the MGP-BJP camps. What is the confusion and what impact Ponda will make on ZP poll? Watch the report on Sunday. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Kalangutkas demolished 4 suspected dance bars in their area without any permission. Locals claim dance bar activities were on in these structures. Locals used JCB to demolish the 4 structures. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo claims that there are 4 more dance bars operating in the Kalangut area. North Goa PDA will issue notices to these dance bars on Monday. Meanwhile, owners of the buildings have accused Michael Lobo of demolishing the structures.
Kalangutkars demolished 4 structures in Kalangut on Saturday. JCBs were used to demolish these structures. Locals suspect that dance bar activities were on in these buildings. Locals said they had to take the law in their hands as police were silent on the functioning of dance bars in Kalangut in spite of frequent complaints.
आज हे जे तुम्ही आमच्या फाटल्यान पळयता डेमोलिशन जे चलता ते हे खूब फाटी जावपाक जाय आसले. आमचे फाटले MLA येवन गेले, तेणे कांयच करूंक ना. आमचो न्यू MLA आहा मायकल लोबो, तेणें आतां हें आपल्या हातीन घातला.
आमकां पळय हिंगा प्रॉब्लेम जाता न्हू ह्या डान्स बारांक आनी प्रॉस्टिट्युशनाक लागून. अथॉरिटीजांक आमी खूब बारा कंप्लेन केल्या. जायना जावन आतां लोकांची तिडोक भायर सरल्या.
Michael Lobo said that dance bar operators had tried to bribe him. He informed this in a weekly program Head On. He also said he tried to stop the locals from demolishing the building, but the locals were furious due to non-action by the administration.
All those dance bar owners had earlier also come to me when I became the MLA with money. They all said that we will contribute every month 25 lakhs to see that these dance bars are kept open and we want your blessing. So आज लोकांनी कितें केलें? लोकांनी वाजले and they took law in their hand. It has gone out of my hand. I tried stopping, controlling it.
Owner of a building, KK Suresh, informed that Michael Lobo entered his house, hit him and demolished the structure. Owners of the structures have filed a complaint against Michael Lobo alleging his hand behind the demolition drive.
एक 12 सुमार आमदार मायकल लोबो आणि एक 10-15 गुंडास आणि एक JCB घेऊन येयलो माझे घर मोडपा लागलो. तेन्ना आमदार म्हणटा मार रे ताका. तेन्ना त्याच्या दुसरी गुंडास ताका फाडलो आसलो ते सगळे म्हणून म्हाका हिंगा सगळे कडे मारलो.
Omkar Falari for Prudent.
3 shacks in Kalangut Baga were burnt down to ashes on Saturday morning. Shacks Bottle Bay, Red Frog and La Music Cafe caught fire. 5 fire brigades were roped in to extinguish the flames. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo has estimated loss up to 80 lakh rupees. Michael alleged that some miscreants deliberately set the shacks on fire.
रोखडे 20 मिनटांनी पावल्या कित्याक रोड थंय खोडलो आसलो तेन्ना मागीर परतून डायवर्ट जावचें पडलें आनी आमचे 5 गाडयो मारले आमी 3 शेका जवळ.
उजो कसो लागला आसता
ती आतां कशें जावंक शकता आमी सांगूंक शकना न्हू ते आतां पुलीस इन्वेस्टिगेशन करतले.
Michael Lobo has demanded thorough inquiry in this episode.
पार्टनरांनी उजो लायला.
कोणे म्हटलं
क्रिस्टीज ला म्युजिका काफे म्हणून हिंगा इलिगल ब्रॉथेल चलताले. ब्रॉथेल दॅट इज अ प्रॉस्टिट्यूशन जॉयंट. त्याच्या पार्टनरांनी उजो लायला. द टोटल लॉस ऑफ बोथ द रेस्टॉरंट्स will be around 70-80 lakhs according to me.
On the other side, Michael Lobo will go on hunger strike from Monday against the dance bars opening in Kalangut.
Strike start जाता to stop these dance bars in Kalangut. 2 दीस हा गव्हर्नमेंटाकडे करून एक्शन मायन सगळ्यांक लेटरां दिल्ली हा बंद करचें म्हणून. आयज लास्ट रिमाइंडर वयतलो म्हाजो. Monday morning I will start hunger strike.
Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.